I am so excited to break into this box. I was asked by Tokyo Treat to do a little review. So let's see. I'm gonna break that seal. Yay! I'm so excited. This is full of yummy treats from Japan. Look at how cool. Oh, I have a little note. Hello from Tokyo. And this, I'm guessing, goes over everything that's in there. But I don't want to look because I want to see what's in here. Yay! I love trying treats from other countries. Okay, so we have a banana castella, a soft sponge cake, and banana bean paste. Ooh, this is so full. And this one isn't in English, so I don't know what that one is. Some little delicious, looks like it might be popcorn snacks. It says it's delicious, so it must be. Some twist corn. Yay! Ooh! Some Kit Kats. Those are going to be super fun to try. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. A Crunky Cookie Ball, Cream Callan, mini moonlight cookies, more little cookies. This kind of looks like a rice cake, but I don't know what it is. Some yummy little gummy candies. That's what makes it so fun, is I've never tried this stuff before. A little bar of some kind. Let's see. Ooh, these are potato chips. I'm guessing like a garlic chip. Yum! More little chips or crackers. And some ramen. Of course, you gotta have some ramen. Oh, how fun! You guys, this box is chock full of delicious little treats. And the cost of it is only $37.50 a month. That's if you do the 1 month version. If you go to 3 months, it's $35.50 a month. If you go to 6 months, it's $33.50 a month. And if you do it for a whole year, you will get each box for only $32.50. Isn't that awesome? And each box will be completely different with fun new little treats to try. Oh, I'm excited to try all of these. So go to tokyotreats.com and sign up for your own subscription.